lanterns in the square. You take my hand so lightly, cold breath in the air. A spark in the distance, color on the night. Your laugh cuts through the quiet, everything feels right. Beautiful fireworks falling in your eyes, bursting over us, painting up the sky. Hold me through the echoes, leave the world behind. Beautiful fireworks lighting up our lives. Paper cups of cocoa, names carved in the frost. We talk about the future, the chances that we've lost. Then you start to shimmer when the first bloom flies. Gold rain on your shoulders, tears mixed with delight. Beautiful fireworks falling in your eyes, bursting over us, painting up the sky. Hold me through the echoes, leave the world behind. Beautiful fireworks. Count it down, 3, 2, 1. Whole town breathes as one. If this is just a moment, let it burn so bright. I'll keep every color on the inside. Beautiful fireworks falling in your eyes, bursting over us, painting up the sky. Hold me through the echoes, leave the world behind. Beautiful fireworks. Cold air on my cheeks, breath in little clouds. Counting down on the balcony, city hum turning loud. Your hand in my coat, laugh tucked in your scarf. Sky feels like it's holding in a billion tiny sparks.